Our name is colorectal polyps. We are raised growths on the surface of the intestinal mucosa. It's a little meatball that grows in the intestine. You can send it alone. You can send more.
Then humans often associate us with colorectal cancer. Does it really matter?
The data shows that 80 to 95% of colorectal cancers develop from intestinal polyps. You don't see that we are still a small meatball? We're just growing up slowly. Just give us 5 to 15 years. We have become the great demon king. Wow.
Sounds cool. Then will I also become such a powerful polyp?
Not all rectal polyps will become the great demon king. We divide by nature. It can be divided into inflammatory polyps and adenomatous polyps. The inflammatory polyps are too weak, hardly cancerous. It's because of where he came from, caused by intestinal proliferative inflammation. Hey, there is no power to become cancerous. But our first level ability, linear neoplastic polyps, have a certain ability to become cancerous. It is recognized by humans as a precancerous lesion.
Wow. I am also a galaxy meat that can become a great demon king.
Then you have to protect yourself. Beware of being discovered by humans to clear you.
How did humans find us? We are not in the early stage and generally do not show any symptoms. Has it grown up quietly until now?
But ever since humans learned that we are a close relative of cancer, we're getting more alert. They all have regular colonoscopies. Under the colonoscopy, we have nowhere to hide. One catches the other. Then we will be wiped out before we grow into the great demon king.
How terrifying. The colonoscopy was really a natural enemy when we were growing up.
Yes, so the doctor will recommend the following groups of people to pay special attention. First-degree relatives, just like our parents, children, and siblings, sister, if they have colorectal cancer, or the individual has a history of cancer, or intestinal polyps, or colitis. Second, obesity, smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, long-term processed meat and red meat, and low-fiber diets. 3. People over the age of 40. Do a colonoscopy! The goal is to detect and stop our growth in cancer as soon as possible. Oops! We got caught! Can't escape! No.
Yes, colonoscopy is really a scary thing. God is going to kill me.
During the colonoscopy just now, we found 2 polyps in your colon. The removal has already been performed. To avoid repeated colonoscopy, we usually remove polyps when they are discovered during colonoscopy.
Excuse me, doctor. Is there a high chance of recurrence after rectal polyp removal? How long does it take to come back for a checkup?
Even if the polyp is removed, the environment has not changed. There is also a possibility of relapse. Therefore, follow-up colonoscopy is very necessary. For patients like you who have polyps found and removed during the first examination, we generally determine the duration of colonoscopy follow-up based on the number, type, and grade of atypical hyperplasia of polyps. 1. Single benign polyp. Multiple benign polyps. The risk of cancer in patients with very small rectal hyperplastic polyps is similar to that in the general population. Follow-up times for colonoscopy or other screening tests can be the same. 2. 1 or 2 tubular adenomas smaller than 1 centimeter. Patients with low-grade intraepithelial Repeat colonoscopy 5 to 10 years after polypectomy. 3 to 10 adenomas. Adenomas larger than 1 centimeter. Patients with high-grade intraepithelial neoplasia or villus adenoma. Repeat colonoscopy 3 years after polypectomy. 4. Patients with more than 10 adenomas found in the first examination. A colonoscopy should be repeated within 3 years. 5. Sessile adenoma, resected in stages. A follow-up colonoscopy is required 2 to 6 months after resection.
Wow. It seems that the follow-up visit time is determined by the individual.
Yes, so we should develop good habits in our daily life to prevent the formation of
So, what should we do in daily life to prevent colorectal polyps?
Prevention of colorectal polyps can start from the following aspects. 1. Exercise in moderation. Improve the body's resistance. Regular exercise can enhance the patient's immunity. Reduce intestinal mucosal damage. Reduce the invasion of germs, thereby slowing down or reducing the probability of colorectal polyp. 2. Develop good eating habits. Eat more whole grains, low fat, low oil, and digestible foods. Can promote gastrointestinal motility, relieve constipation, thereby reducing the probability of rectal polyps. It can also prevent fat accumulation. Avoid increasing the probability of polyps.
It seems that polyps can be prevented and treated.
Yes, the most important thing is to have regular colonoscopy. Pay more attention to intestinal health, early diagnosis, early treatment, early relief.